Hello and welcome to a new series. I am going to convert this WPF Snake application, which I created a while ago, and I'm going to convert it, or I'm going to migrate it to MAUI. So it's going to be a MAUI Snake application. So yeah, let's just jump right into it. So this is the original project that I have, and to prepare the migration, I am going to split this project into a main and to a core and into a core library, similar to, if any of you followed the Battleship series, I've done this also for the server part of the project. So yeah, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be separating all the WPF dependent parts of this application. I'm going to leave them in this project, and then I'm going to make a WPF snake.core part, a class library, which is probably going to contain, or it's not probably, it will contain the view models and the models, data models. Yeah, but so let's just jump right into it. Let's get it started. So I'm going to start by, actually, I'm going to start by updating this project to .NET 7. So I think you can just change this 6 to a 7, or you could also go into the properties down here and select the target framework, which, alright, the 7, so that works. So you can do either or. Let's just run it, make sure it works still. Okay, so yeah, that's what works. And it says 7. Yeah, .NET 7 one. .NET 7. Alright, so yeah, that works. Great, so let's add a new project. And this will be a class library. Yeah, just go next. So platforms. Yeah, library, class library. Class library. Yeah, so let's just select that class library. Okay, and then we'll call it WPF snake dot core. No. It's gonna be core. So yeah, I'm just gonna call it snake.core because I don't want to call it WPF underscore snake.core because we're gonna be using this class library in our MAUI application. So yeah, let's select .NET 7 and click on create. let's delete that class, that default class. Alright, now it's time to okay, this is still using the base view models. Is it really? I thought, oh no. Okay, yeah, so this is redundant. I can delete this because we're using the MVVM community toolkit, so we don't need these base classes anymore. So I'm just gonna go ahead and delete these. See if that still works. Build solution. Okay. Oh. Yeah, okay, that's fine. Let's get rid of that. Okay. And let's build again. Alright, great. Great. Okay, so now so these view models I can put into the core because there shouldn't be any WPF specific code in here except for this main with window view model, I think, which will probably have the window. Yeah. Oh, actually no, this is fine. Alright, yeah. No, this is fine, this is fine. Alright. So yeah, copied everything over. So the user controls, no. Let's delete this. So the user controls, that's WPF specific. The resources, that's specific for this application. That should not go in the core library. The models, we can move those over. Let's delete those. And the data models, we can move those over. And we'll delete them here. And the converters is specific to this application, so we'll keep those in here, and the attached properties are also specific for this. Okay, so yeah, since this is a small project, there's not really much to move out, but yeah, this is what we end up with. So now we have to go into here and replace the namespace. And we have to import, let's import the community toolkit. So add NuGet package, browse MVVM toolkit. Okay, this should be so .NET. Ooh. So which one is this? I use okay instead. All right, so yeah, let's download this right here, and I accept. And there we got that installed. What else? What other package? That's just this package. Okay, so that's fine. Got that in here installed. Okay, so now, yeah, so the namespace should be snake. No, let's go back. Do we dare and do a let's do a replace all. So it will be snake.core. No, not entire solution. Current project. Let's just. Okay, yeah, that looks good. Okay, let's do a replace all. So 7 places. That's fine. Okay. Okay, so the window. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so yeah, the main window. This window type is a WPF thing. So yeah, I actually have to pull this back. I will put it back into the in the main application, and then I will replace this again with WPF underscore snake. Okay. Yeah, and now we're gonna reference the other project. Add project reference snake.core. Okay. Let's close this. Alright, we'll close that. Okay. So we can delete the main window view model again from here. Let's see if this one is showing errors. No errors. No errors. No errors here. And no errors here. Okay, so this is looking good. Alright, so let's update. Actually, let's copy the snake.core and replace that here. That's annoying. Okay. Well, I don't know, let's build real quick. So we got one error, which is, this is a warning. Yeah, because we have to set the is nullable to disabled here. Disable, and let's build that again. So now we don't get that warning anymore. Alright, so it's inaccessible to its protection level. Okay. So let's handle that. That's internal, so let's make it public. and that should take care of that. Okay, that's it. So let's spin it up real quick to make sure it runs. Because I don't know why is there still. Ah, no, it's not gonna run. Okay. Yeah. Now it should run, hopefully. Okay. Alright, and it still works. Alright, so yeah, this is everything we're gonna do for this episode right here. Um, we just prepared a project to be migrated over to MAUI. So this part right here we will have to redo in MAUI, which is all basically UI specific, except of course like this window view model is a mix. I mean, the only thing really that's keeping us from also putting this into the snake.core library is this window that we're using here. So yeah. Okay. Yeah. So thanks for joining me, and this is going to be a good series because we're going to be doing some MAUI things. We're going to set up, I have the same project in MAUI. We're going to be doing UI stuff because I have to redo this anyways. I have to redo these user controls, and you will see it's gonna be a lot similar to WPF, but it is a little bit different. So yeah, it's gonna be a couple of new things that we learn along the way. We also upgraded this project to .NET 7, so yeah, we'll be running .NET 7 from now on. And yeah, that's it. So thanks for joining me, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.